How to log into your Uber account. First, unlock your phone and find the Uber app. Give it a tap. Let's get moving. You will see a screen that says continue as your Gmail name that you used while creating an account. Go ahead and tap it. If it's your first time logging in, Uber might ask if you want to create a passkey. It is like a secure way to log in without typing a password. You can choose create passkey if you want quicker logins next time, or skip it and continue as usual. And just like that, boom, you are logged into Uber. It might ask you to allow location access or confirm your number. Just follow the prompts. From your second login onward, all you do is open the app, choose your Google account or number if that's how you signed up, and you are in. No extra steps. And that's it. You are officially Uber ready. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.